Stile mumia sexy selfie sto KINO. Ah man, stop wasting the time right now. You haven't uploaded anything for 4 weeks, so go and start the video right now.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go.
Yes, everyone, it's Flamestar and welcome to my latest vlog. Right now, as you can see, I'm traveling, and guess where it's going? It's going to Belgrade. And the reason why I'm going to Belgrade, I'm going to tell it to you later, but right now I need to get up to the gate, even though I have still enough time, around 20 minutes until the gate opens. But so far, what I can tell you, it's the very first time I'm traveling completely alone by plane. Nobody of my friends is with me, nobody from my family. But later on, somebody will pick me up. And until then, stay tuned, enjoy the flight, and see you later. So I just arrived here in Belgrade. What I can say is the flight was terrible. My credit card did not get accepted by the POS terminal in the flight, so I only had to be treated with the fish and with a glass of water. Right now I'm hungry, but that is not a big deal because later on I'm going to eat something. And now I just hope that I can go out as soon as possible. So wish me good luck. Hopefully it won't be that bad. All these bnei zunot who have to wait for their luggage. But you know what? Since I travel with this little boy here, I don't need to wait, because this is completely sufficient for my short trip. About the surprise what is going to wait for you, it's a person who's going to wait for me outside. Probably you know this person from some of my vlogs, so let's be prepared for it. Serbia is probably one of the weirdest places where you can go to. When you leave the plane and go to the baggage claim, people will tell to you not to record anything because it's border zone, but somehow I didn't care, I just did it. So people can go fuck off, I don't care. Anyway, when you leave this zone and then you wait outside, you see there are some people who want to offer you any taxi service, but the best thing what I can tell to you, don't claim one of these services at all, because if you go, then they try to rip you off or something dangerous will happen. So please don't enter any cab which is not registered. In Serbia you can recognize it when the plates on the car show a TX in the end. These cars are taxis, and you can also see a plaquette from the taxi company of Belgrade. And if you want to take a taxi, go call it, because they're right inside the baggage claim area. There you can order a taxi so that they can pick up you if you need it. But now I need to wait for the person who is coming to pick me up. I don't know where he is. Yes, it's a he. So I'm going to pick up my beautiful car. Well, it's actually from the person who picked me up. And here it is. A white Toyota Yaris. Okay, let's open up the trunk. Let's get in. Aya, by the way, if you want to see who picked me up, Say hello to my dad.
Hello! Hi, hello!
Yeah.
We come in Belgrade.
Yes. This is the car. And let's ride. So as you can see here, I'm at the dentist, and the reason why I came is because I need to fix my teeth because I have some issues with them. And the thing was, back in Switzerland I was at the dentist and he wanted a flippy amount of me, which was totally not for me, so I'm doing it here in Serbia because it's a lot more affordable, and I'm here at a private clinic which will probably make a good job. So it's 6:30 now. I had a checkup, and tomorrow at 12 a.m. I'm going to fix my teeth. So that will be a big challenge for me, but now I'm going to the hotel, and then let's see what we're going to do, me and my dad, in the evening. Yeah, we will probably go and eat out, relax, and have a good time. That will be definitely a really good evening tonight, and so that I can be ready for tomorrow, and I can't wait that my teeth get fixed. Tamo.
19 ovdje u čaš. Ajde. Ne moraš. Kako si uzadiš poslije. Ajde, ja ću pogledati. Ovdje glava.
Aha.
Good night.
Amazing, amazing.
Oh, amazing.
Let's have a look at the bathroom. Oh wow, that looks great. Here's the shower. Perfect.
Jedni sad na WC da vidim da prvo kako je. A možda čisto, super, ej.
And let's have a look out of the room. Well, the lookout is not so great, but we are at least on the 5th floor, so it's kind of acceptable. And here also 2 beds, chair, another chair, the TV. Yeah, perfect. It looks really good. And yeah, we will go out soon, and afterwards, yeah, I will go to sleep because tomorrow I have at 12 a.m. an appointment at the dentist. See you tomorrow at day 2. So guys, it is around 10 a.m. Good morning, and let's get the day started. I just had breakfast, dressed up, and as you can see, OOTD, looking like as if I'm going to a Sensation White party. But no, I'm not here for making party, I'm here for going to the dentist. Are you ready? Let's go. So we had a pretty adventurous drive here from Belgrade, and now what we're going to do is, before I go to the dentist, I'm going to visit a cousin of mine, or yeah, better said a cousin of my dad. Anyway, I got these presents for my cousins. Unfortunately, my cousins are not here, but I will still meet my auntie, and I will give it to her. Hopefully my cousins will enjoy it. And let's meet her. Look at that crab. Oh my god.
Check. Serbische lift.
Oh yeah. She's Just look how disgusting it looks like. At least it has a light. Yeah.
Ajde, got light, ajde. Gdje si? Ciao. Gdje si?
Jer ti snimaš šalim?
Pa da, snimam te. Ma,
Nisam sređeni nokti.
ma nema veze. Ajde. So, after a few hours when I finished with the dentist, I'm now outside, and as you can hear, it's windy, and here you can see my dad. Tata.
Oj, babe!
Yeah, and now I'm going out together with him. Gonna see a little bit the city from the night perspective, and I hope we will have a great evening. And just to let you,
Good evening!
and just to let you know, my teeth hurt. They hurt a lot, and I really need a drink now. So,
Da se ugrejemo malo. Idemo
tako je.
na šljovicu.
Isn't it awesome when you have a good dad who's even carrying your luggage? Well, I mean, even though it is only this small piece, but still. Say good morning.
Good morning, Belgrade, airport.
Yes. So we have to check now where my check-in desk is, and because I go to Zurich, it has to be at C2. So guys, it's now around 5:15 in the morning. I woke up at 4 a.m. in order to come on time to the airport, and here's my boarding pass and my passport. So I'm just here now drinking something together with my dad before I leave. Then he goes back to the hotel, sleeps on, and I go to the plane and sleep there because I'm really tired. I only slept for around 3 hours or something, and my teeth still hurts. I hope that this time the flight will be better than the one before. Got all my stuff here. Got some gifts from my brother and from my mom. My luggage. The line I have to wait for. And me. It's really awful when you come here because the passport control is before the scan, so you cannot take any drinks into the plane except if you bought something duty free. It's really special here, and you've got huge queues when you want to get to the gate because of these goddamn scanners. Oh guys, do you see the sign over there? Well, that screams for a treat in the morning. Hopefully I will get what I will really like. Good morning everyone, I just landed here in Zurich. No trouble at all with the border control, everything went fine. And now I realized I need to go home by train, but the train will come in around half an hour. So I saw somebody who had a Starbucks cup and I instantly had to get in here, and I got my cool lime refresher even with my name. So I'm going to drink that one, but before I do that I need to call my mom because she's going to pick me up at the nearest train station so that she doesn't have to go through all the traffic jam, because in this time of the day the motorway is completely full with cars, so that's why it is better to go by train now. So I'm going to call my mom now and see you later in the train.